Create a new document and type your text. Convert the text layer to a smart object. Go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. I use a radius of 10 pixels. Open a photo with a lot of contrast. Place the photo on top of the text. Press Ctrl+T to resize the photo and make sure it covers the entire text. Go to Image, Adjustments, Desaturate. Change the blending mode to Hard Mix. If you press Ctrl+T, you can move and resize the photo to adjust the texture. Convert the layer with the photo to a smart object. Go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Adjust the radius to your liking. And that's how you create this text effect.